If you study English for hours every day, but your speaking skills still aren't improving, keep watching this video until the end. Everything is about to change because I'm going to prove this to you. 10 minutes of correct study is more powerful than 5 hours of wrong study, and this is science, this is fact. Hello everyone, I'm Mr. English Teacher. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about a very important topic. Why do short study sessions beat long study sessions? Let me put it simply. Studying less but frequently is much more powerful than studying a lot but occasionally. So let's explain this step by step. The hidden trap of long sessions. Just imagine this. Saturday morning you wake up and say, "Today I'm going to study English for 5 hours." You feel motivated, excited, ready. You prepare everything, open your book, choose a podcast. The first 10 minutes are good. The first 20 minutes are good. The first 30 minutes are okay. But then slowly things start to change. Your mind gets heavy. You start feeling tired. Your eyes wander on the page, but your brain isn't following. You hear the podcast, but the words don't stick in your mind. Here's the critical point. You're still studying, but you're no longer learning. Studying means appearing busy. Learning means changing your brain. Long study sessions usually continue even after learning has stopped. You continue because you planned 5 hours, you don't want to quit, you don't want to feel weak. But when learning turns into forcing, the brain shuts down and stops taking in new information. You can say, "I studied 5 hours today," but something else is happening inside your brain. Your brain remembers it as tiring, slow, and this creates fake progress. You feel productive, but nothing stays in long-term memory. You turned many pages, watched many videos, but tomorrow, most of it is gone. So why does the brain stop learning? Because your brain isn't a machine, it's a living system. Your brain learns best when it feels safe, curious, and light. Long sessions slowly remove these feelings. Curiosity disappears, energy disappears, focus disappears. And without focus, time doesn't create learning. Your brain is quietly learning something dangerous. English takes too much from me. The next time you think about studying, you feel resistance. You feel tired before you even start. This is how many students lose momentum. Another problem with long sessions is pressure. When you plan a long study session, your brain starts feeling pressure even before you begin. You think, "This must be useful. I can't waste this time. I must see results today." The brain tenses up, becomes stressed. But language learning needs a relaxed brain. When the brain is relaxed, it can notice patterns, remember sounds. When the brain is tense, it's just trying to survive the activity. Learning doesn't happen. So now let's move to our next step. The power of short sessions. Now let's talk about short sessions because this is where everything changes. What does a short session mean? 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or 20 minutes? Many students say, "This is too short, it won't work." But this is completely wrong. Short sessions work because when your brain knows an activity is short, it feels safe. No danger, no stress. The brain says, "Okay, I can do this. It will end soon." Because there's no fear, the brain stays open, ready to take in new information. Short sessions build confidence. Every time you finish a short session, your brain learns, English is manageable, English is possible, I can do this again. This builds self-confidence. Long sessions usually break confidence, but short sessions slowly build it. Short sessions preserve your energy. If you use all your energy in one long session, you have nothing left for tomorrow. Short sessions preserve your energy. You stop before getting tired. Stopping early teaches your brain, "I finished while feeling good." And the brain wants to repeat good experiences. Here's an idea many people never talk about: the next time effect. How you feel at the end of studying decides how you'll feel in the next study session. If you stop when tired, next time feels heavy. If you stop when fresh, next time feels light. Short sessions create a positive ending. This pulls you back the next day. Long sessions usually end with exhaustion, and exhaustion pushes you away. So we have our next point: comparison. Let's compare two students. Student A studies 3 hours once a week. Student B studies 15 minutes every day. After 1 month, student A feels tired and guilty. Student B feels calm and consistent. Student B has more contact with English, more repetition, more memory. Many students try to be heroes. They want heroic study days. But language learning isn't about hero days, it's about habit. Short sessions train habit, long sessions train motivation. Motivation comes and goes, but habit stays. When English becomes a habit, you no longer ask, "Should I study today?" You just do it. Now that this step is done, let's move to our next point: memory and gaps. Your brain needs gaps for memory. Gap means the space between learning moments. You study, you stop, you come back. During this time, your brain works in the background. Long sessions have no gaps, but short sessions create natural gaps. These gaps help your brain organize information. Example: today you listen to a sentence. I was running late this morning. Tomorrow you hear it again and your brain says, "Ah, I know this." This recognition feeling strengthens memory. And let's all move together to our next critical step: using short sessions correctly. Short sessions are powerful, but they only work when used correctly. The most important rule is focus. You give your attention completely to one thing. In a short session, choose one action, just one. No listening, reading, and checking your phone at the same time. Either you listen, or you read, or you repeat. Simple examples: listen to a podcast for 10 minutes. Just listen, no pausing, no translating. Read a short paragraph, read slowly, notice the words. Repeat a sentence many times, slowly, naturally. You didn't do much, but your brain learned a lot. Some students feel guilty. I only listen for 10 minutes. But learning doesn't count pages, it counts change. If your brain changed, the session worked. Now that we understand this point, let's move to the next important strategy. The most important strategy: stop while it still feels easy. Most students stop after getting tired, but this teaches the brain the wrong lesson. Learning equals exhaustion. Instead, stop early. Stop while still feeling good. Stopping early isn't weakness, it's strategy. When you stop early, your brain remembers the session positively. Next time, starting feels easy. This creates a powerful cycle: easy start, good feeling, stop early, start again. You want to come back the next day because the brain continues learning even after you stop. Learning doesn't stop when you stop studying, your brain continues in the background. When you stop early, your brain has time to organize information. If you study until exhaustion, your brain is too tired. Stopping early gives the brain breathing room. In conclusion, I can say this clearly: you don't need more time. What you need is better timing. Short sessions aren't weak, they're smart. They respect your brain, your daily life, and your energy. They work with you, not against you. If you want English to stay with you for years, choose short sessions every day, even on busy days, even on tired days. Small steps taken every day quietly change everything. Now I'm giving you a task. Tomorrow, listen to English for 10 minutes. Just listen. No writing, no translating. Then stop and do it again the next day. Comment after 1 week, say, I did it, because this small step will be the beginning of your big change. If you learned something from this video, hit the like button now, subscribe to the channel, write in the comments. I will also do 10 minutes every day. Take small steps every day and keep believing in yourself. You're doing great. I'm Mr. English Teacher. See you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.